If you want to add reviews on your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add testimonials so your site looks more trustworthy, more professional, and more likely to convert visitors into customers. Reviews are one of the fastest ways to build credibility, and the good news is that Squarespace makes it simple to add them without any coding. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tips. Now let's jump in. First, go to the page on your Squarespace website where you want your reviews to appear. This could be your homepage, your services page, your landing page, or even a dedicated testimonials page. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit in the top left corner. This opens the page editor so you can make changes to the layout and content. Now, you'll want to add a new section for your reviews. Look for the Add Section button between your existing page blocks and click it. Squarespace will open a section library with different content categories and layouts. On the left-hand menu of the pop-up window, scroll down and click Testimonials. This is the category specifically designed for showing customer reviews, feedback, and quotes from clients. After selecting Testimonials, you'll see a range of pre-designed layouts you can choose from. You might see a multi-column grid, a side-scrolling carousel, or large single quote style layouts. Pick the one that best matches your website design and the amount of reviews you want to display. If you want to show several reviews at once, a grid can work really well. If you want a more modern, interactive feel, a carousel is a great choice. And if you want something bold and simple, large single quotes can make the testimonial stand out. Once you've added your chosen layout, the section will appear on your page with placeholder content. To customize it, click Edit Content in the top right corner of that new section. This opens the content editor, where you can make the reviews your own. Under the Content tab, you can change the placeholder names, upload profile photos, and paste in your client's actual feedback. Replace generic sample text with real testimonials from your customers. Try to keep the wording authentic and specific because detailed reviews tend to feel more believable and persuasive. If you have permission, add the client's name, business name, and even a photo to make the review look even more credible. If the layout allows multiple testimonials, keep adding additional reviews until the section feels complete. A few strong reviews are often better than too many weak ones, so choose the ones that best highlight results, quality, and customer satisfaction. Make sure the testimonials match the tone of your brand and support the service or product you're promoting. Once your content looks good, close the editor and preview the page. Check that the reviews are easy to read on desktop and mobile, and make sure the section fits naturally with the rest of your site design. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the layout, spacing, or wording until it looks just right. And that's it. You've now learned how to add reviews on your Squarespace website using the Testimonials section. This is a simple but powerful way to increase trust and help visitors feel more confident about working with you. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.